Hello everyone, last week we talked about how you can use film recipes for a video and showed you 2 recipes I made. Today we will talk about film recipes and how you can use them for photography. We all know and love the film simulations Fujifilm provides with their cameras. Well, film recipes are a combination of film simulations and other settings to create, well, more film simulations that are different than what Fuji provides and closer to your style. Film recipes, exactly like the Fujifilm simulations, are digital reproductions of analog films. This is great for photography and there are a lot of sites with different recipes. The one I use is Fujifilm Weekly. An important thing to know is that film recipes do not affect RAW files. They only affect JPEGs, so set your camera to shoot fine or RAW and fine. If you select RAW and fine, there is an option that affects RAW files and that is dynamic range, but I will talk about that in another video. The film recipes will be different depending on what type of sensor you have. In these photos and for this video I use the Fujifilm X-T4. This uses the X-Trans 4 sensor. I took these photos in Valencia, Spain and used the Portra 800 and X-Pro 62 recipes from Fuji Weekly. Now I will show you how to use film recipes for photography. Go to Menu, Image Quality Settings, scroll all the way down to Edit Save Custom Settings. Once you open this, you will see 7 custom settings you can change. Select one, then select Edit Custom Name and give your recipe a name. I will name this Portra for the Portra 800 recipe. This is my favorite recipe to use here in Valencia. Select your custom setting, then edit. First select the film simulation you want. For Portra 800 we need to select Classic Chrome. Next select the grain effect and choose Strong and Large. For Color Chrome effect select Strong. Color Chrome effects Blue, Weak. Now we will select the white balance. This is where you affect the image most. Select color temperature and set it to 5200 Kelvin. Next we will change the white balance shift. In my opinion this is the most important part. Set red to 1 and blue to -5. And click OK. Select the dynamic range and set it to 400%. Next go to the tone curve. Here you can select how strong your highlights and shadows will be. In short, plus gives you more contrast and minus less. Select highlights, +1. Next, color to +3, sharpness to -2, noise reduction to -4 and clarity to -4. Now hit the back button and save. You just saved your first recipe, the Portra 800. Now when you want to select it, just press the Q button and scroll right with the back wheel until you find your custom setting. Not all these options are available when creating film recipes for a video. If you want to know more about this and see my film recipes, Joker and Valencia, check out my video here. This is a great feature to experiment with. Tell me in the comments below if you use this to create new filmic looks for your photos. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos like this for you to watch. Check out my presets and prints in the description below. See you next time!